Welcome back, Alex here. Have you noticed how AI technology has been evolving over the years? For me, I created an AI trading bot for crypto arbitrage with Claude AI. On this screen, you can see the income after running it for 20 hours. Over the years, I've been focused on making money with AI and crypto trading automated. Ever since I built this AI trading bot back in February, it's become my go-to trading strategy every day and is without a doubt one of my biggest innovations. The best part is that AI handled all the complex coding. So, even if you're a crypto beginner or have no coding experience, you can run it just like me. In this tutorial, I'll explain the underlying mechanics, guide you step by step through the full setup, and show you the actual result from my own live run. In short, this trading bot continuously monitors price differences across exchanges. It analyzes liquidity pools and executes trades immediately whenever profitable arbitrage opportunities arise. To start, you'll need a Web3 wallet extension installed on your browser. Almost any standard Ethereum compatible wallet will work just fine. If you're on a mobile device, you can complete everything directly using the dApp browser built into your wallet app. Next, we'll navigate to the web-based development platform to compile and deploy our trading bot contract. All the necessary URLs are linked in the video description. Once the interface loads, create a new blank file and name it whatever you like. Go ahead and copy the bot's smart contract code into the blank file we just created. It's fully open source, and I've also linked it in the video description below. I added detailed comments directly within the code so you can easily understand it. For extra confidence, feel free to verify it using any trusted auditing platform. Check the very top line of the code to see the required Solidity version. Let's move on to this tab here and select the matching version in the Solidity compiler, enable autocompile, and hit this button to compile it. Nice. Now it's time to deploy using your wallet. Navigate to the Deploy tab. From the drop-down menu, select your wallet. Connect it and authorize the connection when it asks for permission. This interface shows my wallet address and Ethereum balance, which means the wallet is connected. From here, click the Deploy button to proceed. Just wait a moment until the confirmation shows up in the console. All set. That means our trading bot has been successfully deployed to the blockchain. Its control panel will appear right below here. The layout is very clean and straightforward to use. Before proceeding, click here to verify that all deployment details line up correctly. We can see the contract owner's address. Open your wallet and compare the displayed address with your own wallet address. Make sure they match exactly. If the addresses match, only you will have full exclusive access to the bot. Now copy our bot's contract address. We're funding the bot so it has enough liquidity to perform arbitrage. I recommend starting with at least 2 Ethereum. With this amount, the bot can operate at full power. The minimum is 1 Ethereum after the version update. If the starting amount are too low, you might even lose money because the trading gas fees might exceed the profits. For me, I've been running my bot with 50 Ethereum recently, generating around 16 Ethereum per day. Here for demonstration purposes, I'll use 2 Ethereum. Great, the Ethereum is now in our bot's contract. Now, head back to the compiler, click Start, and confirm the action. And that completes the setup. The bot is officially live. Make sure the start function worked. You'll see it in the console log and on the interface. I'll let it operate independently for some time, and then we'll review how well it performs. Okay, 20 hours have passed since our initial deployment. So, let's refresh the Etherscan page and see the results. Fantastic! My balance is now above 2.8 Ethereum with a total gain of 0.84 Ethereum. Everything is running flawlessly. And now, here's the best part. Once you decide to stop and withdraw your capital along with any profits, simply hit this withdrawal button. Wait for the block confirmation, and refresh your wallet to check the balance. Just like that, all the Ethereum had been returned to my wallet. Over this 20-hour window, the bot's performance was truly impressive. It was a very successful run. A quick disclaimer before we wrap up. Everything discussed in this video is for educational purposes. I am not a licensed financial professional, and none of this should be taken as investment, legal, or financial advice. I'm simply documenting my personal Web3 experiments. If you run into any hurdles or have questions about the setup, my contact information is pinned in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more content on AI Agent Automated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.